Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix cannot log into GeForce experience. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the login issue with your GeForce and you can see black screen error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to press Windows plus R key. The run command box will be open. In this you need to type services.msc. and hit enter. In this you just need to type NVI. You can see here natural authentication. Like this you will find NVIDIA display controllers or NVIDIA display containers. Suppose if this is your NVIDIA display containers, just right click on that, click on properties. You can see a startup type. You need to select as automatic, then click on apply, then click OK. After that you just need to right click on that and click on start. After that just close this window. And the second method is you just need to correct your date and time. If your date and time is not properly set, then you can face this type of issues. After that, try the third method. Just click on start menu, then type here CMD, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes. Here you need to type ipconfig space /flush DNS and hit enter and close this window. After trying all this method, still you are facing the issue, then you need to uninstall and reinstall your NVIDIA GeForce software. For that you just need to click on start menu, then type here control panel, click on control panel, click on uninstall a program. In this you need to find NVIDIA, right click on that, click on uninstall and reinstall it again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix cannot log into GeForce experience. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.